Hey YouTube, I'm going to teach you hopefully this song by Angelo de Augustine called Blue. Friend of mine, just between us, I've been moving towards the light. Now you're gone. All my life I've been so low and I don't know why. So blue, so blue. That repeats. So that's the chord. That's the verse with a refrain. All right. The main part of the verse is E minor, A, D. It kind of stays on D a little. Hangs on the D. That repeats. Now you're gone. I don't know why. So blue. All right. Yeah. E minor, A, D, G. Then when they get to the part where they're like blue, play D. Then you play D major 7. Which is just the open D string, 4th string, and then you bar strings 1, 2, and 3 at fret 2. D, D major 7, G, so blue, that repeats. And if you're having trouble trying to hold down those, try to turn your finger a little bit to the side. Get the bony part of your finger. It makes it easier. All right, and then it repeats exactly the same. E minor. Sways like. Two times. Then we have a bridge after the second verse, and that is a D major 7. Mama down and pray. So it's going D major 7 to E minor 7. It's just your A string at the 2nd fret, and then all the other strings are open. Then it goes back to D major 7. Saved her life this way. And it does it one final time. So after the 3rd time, to get back into the verse, it just does a quick hit on the G to A. Then you go back to the verse and the refrain. A capo, I don't know, I've never seen them perform it, but these are the chords that are actually you're hearing. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.